When I was growing up, I didn't have all these toys. Glenn and I went up to the hill and found a big flat rock and gathered moss and put on it for our carpet and took broken dishes and played with them. That's how we kept house.
Did you get coffee?
Look here. Yeah.
Did they give you coffee?
Oh, cup of coffee every morning. When an old chicken got killed crossing the road, we went out and gathered it up and put it in a shoebox, and we planned its funeral for the afternoon. And the kids from across the creek came, and we read it. We wrote its obituary out and wrote its funeral out. We sung hymns, and we gathered around and passed its casket. And
you cried. Had mourners.
We did. We cried. And Aunt Bertha lived across the creek, and she came flying over there. She said, "Nolly, what's going on?" And she said, "What do you mean, Bertha?" And she said, "What's all the crying and stuff about?" She said, "I thought some of the kids was hurt." And she said, "No, they're up on the hill having a funeral for an old hen that got killed this morning." We just happened to have a Paul Perry. And it called everybody by their name, too.
What did it call your mom?
Nola. It'd say, "Nolly, make Betty go to the garden and get me some beans, Nolly." And she said, "Betty, go get Polly some beans." And I say, "No, I'm not going to get Polly any beans. Polly's mean." She said, "Whip her, Nolly, whip her, Nolly. Whip her, go get Polly some beans."